Motorway Street. You are being recorded again, and I'll see how you do this time. Okay. More to the right. Okay, turn the wheel. Good job. Okay, fix and pick up right the way. Okay, very good. Pick up the speed. All right. Okay, so you can speak and drive so that I can hear you how much you understand, right? So if you don't understand something or you're doing wrong, you're thinking wrong, I can correct it. Okay, so a stop sign. All right, what kind of stop sign is it?
This is for us and that side of the upcoming traffic.
Yes, we're gonna go left at the stop sign. Signal left. Then what do we have to do?
Then we go a little close and we check somebody's here, there, the back. No, the way is clear. Now the way is clear. So
Is it clear?
It's clear.
Why are you looking? Like you're looking at this mirror. Of course, people can be behind us.
Yes.
No problem. But our main concern is left side and right side. Right? All clear. Right? Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. So, all right. We're gonna go straight. It's a sharp turn coming.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go left at the upcoming street. Signal. So right here. Here. Okay. Not bad. Good job. All right. Good job. So, okay, more to the right, more to the right.
Yes, a little sharp.
Okay. Stop sign will be turning right. What do we have to do?
We are stop over there and then we give a signal. And stop.
Done.
We check. Then we little close. Then we check. Nobody's here. So then go.
Look. Middle of the road. I am gonna stop you. We are literally middle of the road. Okay. So because this is wrong position.
Okay.
Why? Why? Because look, you're turning right and then you have to turn toward right side. You cannot go through the left side, correct?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna help you out. Relax your feet. No, don't do anything. Just relax. I am in control. All right. I'm back. I'm going back to behind the stop sign. Okay. So here's the stop sign, which is only for us.
Yes.
And I ask you to turn right. Right.
Yes.
So I put into drive. Okay. So signal right, please. Okay, so nobody behind us, and I'm taking time to explain. So later on you're gonna watch the video and clarify what I explain. All right, so I ask you to turn right. So our concern is if anybody coming from there, and if anybody coming from the other side of the road, that will not matter, but it will matter if the way you are turning, then it's a matter. Do you understand? Can you explain me in your language?
ध्यान रखना है कि जब हम राइट टर्न ले रहे हैं इधर से कि कोई आगे पीछे तो नहीं है और अगर वे क्लियर भी है तो तब भी ध्यान से
No, not correct. अगर हम ये स्टॉप साइन ओनली हमारा लिए है, ठीक है? सो हमने स्टॉप किए तो वी आर लुकिंग एट द लेफ्ट साइड, ठीक है? कि अगर कोई आते हैं कि नहीं, तो तो आपको राइट करना है, सही है।
ठीक।
तो हमको पोजीशन करना है व्हील को कि अगर हम राइट टर्न करें तो दूसरे साइड से जो गाड़ी आ रहे हैं उनको हम हिट ना करें,
ओके।
सही है। तो उसके लिए हमको पोजीशन, कार का पोजीशन, व्हील का पोजीशन करना है। तो हाउ टू डू दैट, क्योंकि आप जब मैंने आपको पूछा कि बोला कि आप राइट टर्न कीजिए, तो आप अगर व्हील स्ट्रेट करके जाएंगे ना तो आप उस तरह लाइक अदर साइड ऑफ द रोड आपका पोजीशन होगा, लाइन में चले जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो कैसे करना है ये, रिलैक्स, आई एम इन कंट्रोल, रिलैक्स, योर फीट टू, फीट, ओके। हम सामने जा रहे हैं, उधर में गाड़ी है, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। तो ये देखिए मैं एंगल कर रही हूँ, ऐसे करके मैं स्टॉप होंगी। अगर स्टॉप साइन ओनली फॉर अस, तो थोड़ा सा सामने आके जब आप रास्ता देख सकते हैं उधर में, लेफ्ट साइड ओनली, ठीक है। तो इधर से अगर गाड़ी आए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
ओके।
अगर आप ये गाड़ी को पोजीशन किए तो दैट मीन्स इफ यू पोजीशन योरसेल्फ लाइक this way, that means my wheel is turned, look, my wheel is turned toward right, so I can see my car is not straight, is going toward right side, ठीक है। and the road is clear, I only care about who is coming from the left side because I'm turning right at the street. So if you forget this, then it's a problem, because if you keep your wheel straight and you are about to turn, you're gonna go like in front of the driveway. Cool. And now the trick is you're gonna hit the gas and turn the wheel more nicely. There you go, and fix the wheel, and we came into our lane. Got it?
Yes.
All right, so from here we're gonna signal right please, right. Slow, nice and slow, and turn, go, no stopping because we do not have a stop sign. Turn more, and nicely fix the wheel right the way. Got it? All right, so hopefully whatever I explained you're gonna remember. I'm gonna see if you remember not. Okay, go straight. So it's a sharp turn coming. We continue going. So do remember other side of the road, if a car coming or not, I cannot see.
Yeah.
I have to drive more to the right side. Nice and slow. Turn the wheel more. Turn the wheel more. Oh, you did it incorrect. Girl, that's okay, no problem. Alright, continue. The upcoming street, I want you to turn right. So remember, wherever other side of the road, the more sharper it is, you want to reduce and turn the wheel. Alright? If you hit the gas, that's where the problem is, because if you're not turning properly. Let's go. Hit the gas a little bit. Okay, whenever you turn the wheel, make sure you see where the position of the car, like where the car is going, literally. Okay, let's go. Please do not kill the human.
Yeah. That's why I'm going this side.
Alright, the kids walking, please watch carefully. Alright, there's a car coming. Easy. Alright, we are in same position and I explained you. Can you react? We're gonna turn right. Signal right, please. And how she is doing, I explained her in Hindi, English, everything. What she does, we'll see. You're forgetting something. What are you forgetting? Exactly. You cannot go straight and expect you're gonna go
Yeah.
right.
Yes.
Do not sit and turn the wheel. Why? Why do not sit and turn the wheel? Why?
For the right turn, that's why we are going left.
No. If you sit and turn the wheel, because you're not like, I want you to take your feet off from the brake. While you move, I mean while the car moves, that's when you're turning the wheel. So you can see the position of the car. But if you, because you are learning how to drive, you do not know how to drive, where the wheel is, like whatever you did, I know what's gonna happen now. If you sit and turn the wheel, you will not know where the steering wheel is. I mean the tire is, the position of the tire.
Yeah.
Correct? So if I want to position, I have to let the car move, and that's how I want to position, not like sitting and turning the wheel. Okay, let's go. So don't press gas. Hello, you have to move. You have to move up and stop. So while turning the wheel, position, relax your feet.
Okay.
No, all right. Whenever we moving, the target is to stop again. Correct. So your feet cannot. If I have to stop again, your feet cannot be on the accelerator.
Okay.
It should be on top of the brake.
Okay.
So that I move up. So to check if the traffic is there or not, and I have to stop. That's why take your feet off from the brake and then press the brake smoothly. So I have to stop. That's how you stop. Clear? Let's go. Hit the gas. Hit the gas. Slowly. That's okay. Car is coming. No problem. Hit the gas. There you go. Car came. No problem. See? There you go. याद रहेगा क्या? रहेगा? अच्छा, तो फिर से करे? Okay. Let's turn right here. Okay, continue going nice and slow. Do not turn the wheel unnecessary. When you're turning, look at where the car is going. There you go. Fix the wheel. Okay, continue. Pick up the speed. We're gonna go through the same, and I'll see. आपको याद रहता कि नहीं? नहीं रहता, no problem. Okay. But hopefully you will see the video and then remember and understand what's the situation and what's going on. Okay, let's go. Okay, so do look. This is the sharp road we went through and you made a mistake. So turn the wheel and move. Turn more. So while turning, I look at the road. There you go. Fix the wheel right the way. There you go. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Same road we're gonna go through. Turn the wheel, signal right. Okay. Let's go. Turn. Okay, my dear, whenever you're turning, make sure you're looking at the road. Where the road, what's the condition, where is your position. Okay. All right. Okay, more to the right side. More to the right. Signal right. We're gonna turn right at the stop sign. Okay. What is the thing we have to do?
Now we stop.
Uh-huh.
And we see the way is clear, and then we are little like this side, that right side, then we bend that car, and we check also left side noise coming.
Okay. Whatever you said, I want you to go. Whatever you said. Where is the position of the car? Nope. Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Why is it incorrect? You have to because
I go in the little more middle.
Okay.
Okay, whenever we go in back, then
So we reversing.
okay.
Till you get it correct, I am gonna make you do it. Okay, so I have to be more to relax. I'm in control. Relax.
Okay.
Okay. So when I'm in control, please do not hold it. Do not press anything, because if you're holding, because it's pretty hard for me to control the car from the right side. So relax. All right. So back to the position. You're gonna turn right at the stop sign. Signal right. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Behind the white line, nice and easy. Stop. And then I ask you to turn right. What do you do? What to do?
Then we go a little bit close and see the both side is good and the back also. Then we going close. Then we little इसको हम थोड़ा सा घुमा के फिर
करके ना दिखाइए मुझे. करके दिखाइए. Nope. Look, there is just car pass by. You're gonna hit the car. इस तरह को आप टर्न करेंगे ना, गाड़ी को हिट हो जाएगा. फिर से करेंगे. आज यही करेंगे. देखते हैं. Like I am speaking your language because so आपको समझ में आए. ठीक है. तो like of course I struggle to speak your language. but still again right में जाने का. Signal right. So we stop, we slow down, right? अच्छा, फिर क्या करने का? Okay, my dear, I'm gonna explain you again. Okay, so we are turning right. I cannot see from the left side.
Yeah.
मैं अभी आपको बोलूँगी, फिर से आप जो राइट में बोल रही हूँ मैं आपको समझने आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड, तो आपको करके दिखाना है. ऑलराइट, सो आई आस्क यू टू टर्न राइट, सो वी स्टॉप फर्स्ट. देन व्हाइल मूविंग अप, गाड़ी जब सामने जा रहे हैं व्हील को टर्न करना है. ये स्टीयरिंग व्हील को टर्न करना है, बैठ के नहीं करना है.
थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे ले जाओ.
हाँ, रिलीज योर फीट. हाँ, ये टर्न जब कर रहे हैं तो गाड़ी का पोजीशन टुवर्ड राइट एंगल हो रहा है. समझ में आए? तो ये बोल क्यों जा रहे हैं आप?
ओके, जब हम पास में आ रहे हैं तो थोड़ा थोड़ा जब देख रहे हैं कि इधर से गाड़ी नहीं आ रही है तो थोड़ा थोड़ा
है. हाँ, व्हील को टर्न करना है,
धीरे-धीरे
करके ना एंगल करना है गाड़ी को. क्यों एंगल क्यों करना है?
क्योंकि हमने राइट टर्न ले.
एग्जैक्टली. तो ये भूल क्यों जा रहे हैं आप? एनीवेज, ये एंगल हम कर रहे हैं, बट ये जो सामने कर्व देखा है ना, इसके सामने नहीं जाने का. बिकॉज इफ यू गो ओवर द कर्व, आफ्टर द कर्व वी कैन गेट हिट इफ देयर इज अ कार कमिंग. तो इतना सा एंगल करके फिर रुकना है. समझ में आए? समझ में आए? ऑलराइट. तो अभी पोजीशन हो गया, अभी आपको जाना है. ठीक है, तो देखिए, यू गोना प्रेस द एक्सेलरेटर एंड अब स्लो जब टर्न करेंगे ना तो देखेंगे पोजीशन ऑफ द कार. यू हैव टू एनालाइज इट whatever I'm explaining. चलिए करिए. hit the gas slowly and देखा, स्लो व्हील टर्न किया तो गाड़ी इधर में आ गए. समझ में आया? Okay, let's go. Okay, so this video I want you to watch again and again and again, क्योंकि we're gonna go right here please. Turn. Okay, fix the wheel. Alright. Because why? Because whatever I'm explaining you have to understand and apply while driving. Got it? Yeah. Okay.